I'm Steve Clifford, and I would like you to visit shehe.com, and you can take a look at my sponsors, Shehe Toyota of Fredericksburg and Stafford, Virginia, as well as Shehe Toyota of Laurel, Maryland. Today, I want to talk about tethering your phone. And by tethering, I'm talking about using either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay while plugging in to the car and make sure you use the port that has that little symbol on it. But what we find is sometimes we get a really bad connection, and most people blame that on the cord. And what will happen is it'll glitch out really quickly here. So even just a little tap on the connector there will cause it to lose connection here. And it's really frustrating because the phone is still charging at that point. The little charge light will be on, but it won't be up here. And we usually blame the cord. Well, what I've found out is it's not always the cord. As a matter of fact, it frequently is not. Very frequently, it's this. It is the actual port where this plug goes into. If you get dust or lint or anything else in there, you will still get a good enough connection to be able to flow electrons to charge the thing, but not good enough to flow the data. And this is going to be true of both iPhones and Androids. So if you're having problems with a tethered connection to the USB port, it may not be your cable, it might be your phone. And I've had customers say, well, I took some canned air and that didn't work. Well, there's a lot of phone repair places around now that you can take it to and tell them you want this data port cleaned out. And they will clean it out for you. Most of them will do it for very cheap, if not free, and then give it a try with a cable that you know works with somebody's phone. And what you will probably find is the connection's gonna work. So that will solve a lot of problems with the connectivity with a tethered data connection. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.